For Beeblebrox, the British tech guru. This is an incredibly simple Morse code transmitter. It probably won't transmit further than the end of this table, but hey, it has a 20-meter aerial currently wrapped around this spool. It has two 160 mAh 5-volt solar panels. It has a push button. It has a capacitor, and it has the Morse code button, chip. Button. There's the button. So let me transmit a Morse message. So we'll start dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot dash dash dot 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 dash dot 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 dash dot dash dot dash 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 dot dash dot dash dot 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 dash dash dot dot dash dash dot dash dot dash dot dot dash dot dash dot dash. Okay, and if anybody understands this Morse, then put it in the comments. Should be fairly simple for anybody that knows Morse code. I don't, as you can tell from my keying, but hey, if it works, it works. This is the absolute basis of that emergency Morse transmitter, and I'll see you in the next video.